AirTalk Wireless uses eSIM technology to offer prepaid plans without needing a physical SIM card. Activation is primarily done via a QR code. After purchasing a plan on the AirTalk website or app, you'll receive a QR code via email or in-app. Ensure your device is compatible. iPhone XS and later, Android phones like Google Pixel 4 Plus and Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. To activate, simply scan the QR code using your phone's camera or a QR scanner app. Follow the on-screen prompts to download and install the eSIM profile. You might need to restart your device. Then, activate the plan by entering any required details. Test your connectivity. Your eSIM should connect to the network automatically. This process usually takes just 5 to 10 minutes.